Welcome back to my channel. So, I figured out something so I don't look so glitchy and look weird. There is this thing on my settings that made it look glitchy. So, I'm so happy that I found that. Because without that, my life would be doomed. I tell you, doomed. So, today, since I have 10 subscribers, like I said, even though I have 12 subscribers actually. Now it's kind of sad, but we can make it to 50. Yeah, 50. Sorry, I can't think right now. It will be there, and then we can go either high 100, 500, 1,000. Who knows? We can do it, okay? We can do it. Just click that subscribe button if you watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe. You just, instead of just watching the video and passing on to another video, you subscribe. You don't just watch this video. You watch it and subscribe. And if you have a feeling, you can do that like button and comment down below. Put the notification signal. I don't know if it's actually up there. I don't know where it is. Just saying that. Do the notification button and yeah, do the notification button and do the notification button so that it notifies when I'm making another video like today. So I said, and like the odd ones that they do sprinkles, and I do goldfish. So since there's not so many, I'm just gonna do goldfish. But more there is, the more goldfish there is, and the more fun we can have with it. Right now, all I can do is just eat it. Here goes one. This is to my mom. Here goes two to my cousin. Right here to my cousin. 4 to a random person I don't know. 5 to a random person I don't know. 6 to a random person I don't know. 7 to a random person I don't know. 8 to a random person I don't know. 9 to a random person I don't know. 10 to a random person I don't know. 11 to my other account that I have that I'll tell you when I actually have a video on there. And 12 to my best friend. I also have this sparkly nice, yeah, got it from the store. Walmart. Orange and mango. I'm gonna try it actually. It's spilled all over the counter, so that's why it's a little empty. It tastes interesting. You should try it. At Walmart, there was a makes me feel cold now. At Walmart, there's a pineapple and something else one. It's new, I think. At least I've never seen it before. I do buy these quite often, actually. Well, I used to buy them quite often. My brothers really like them. They go to Aldi's, they go to Walmart, and I think that's the only places. They might sell it at Costco, maybe. I don't know if some people don't have Costco, but if you don't, I feel so sorry for you. Well, if you're not in America, if you live somewhere else, then they probably don't have it. But if there's one not from the United States, if there's no Costco in the United States where you live, or near you live. Like, I know some places. Crap. Use this. I don't have a napkin. Sorry, you guys are gonna have to see that. I'll wipe my. Okay, if you live in